Hey everyone! If you're a blogger looking to monetize your website beyond Google AdSense, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the top AdSense alternatives that can help you earn more revenue from your blog. Number 1 is Eoic. First up is Eoic, a free ad platform that serves both display and native advertising. Eoic goes beyond just ads by providing publishers with free access to additional monetization technology and tools. For example, Eoic offers the Huemix video hosting platform, free WordPress hosting, and Leap website speedup with CDN. On the ad side, Eoic leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to maximize ad revenue. Their proprietary technology called Big Data Analytics continually tests different ad placements, formats, and partnerships to identify the highest earning combinations for your individual site and audience. Eoic's AI also works to create a better user experience by limiting poorly performing ads. The combination of ad revenue optimization, free speed technologies, hosting, and video make Eoic an attractive all-in-one monetization solution. There is no minimal traffic requirement to join. Average earnings of $10 to $20 revenue per 1,000 visitors, but it may vary depending on your website. Allows you to use your own ad slots in addition to Eoic's ad placements. Very low, $20 monthly payment threshold for withdrawals. You can find all the direct links in the blog posts of our forum. Check out the video description. Another great option is Medianet. This is a contextual ad network owned by Yahoo and Bing. It is one of the highest paying ads networks. Here's an overview. Requires at least 10,000 monthly page views and high-quality original content. Average earnings of $5 to $10 per 1,000 impressions. $100 threshold for payments. Number 3, Propeller Ads. Propeller Ads has lots of customization options for display and native advertising. It has very aggressive ad types that generate more revenue than AdSense. Here are the highlights. There is no minimum traffic requirement. Propeller Ads is open to all publishers. Up to $2 to $5 RPM in estimated earnings. You can use multiple ad types, like popunders, banners, and widgets. $5 minimum payout for e-wallets and have many payment options. Number 4, AdsTera. AdsTera is a great AdSense alternative known for providing high earning rates and a large global ad inventory. Let's look at the key stats. There's no minimum traffic required to start on AdsTera, but don't allow fake traffic. Average RPM is around $8 to $15. Lots of ad formats like pop-ups, sliders, and banners. Minimum payout starting at $5. Number 5, Affiliate Marketing. Finally, joining affiliate programs is a great way to earn without ads. With affiliate programs, you promote products or services on your website. When a visitor clicks through and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Affiliate earnings often surpass display ad revenue for many publishers. Incorporating affiliate marketing along with display ads like AdSense can further boost your revenue. Affiliates provide an additional earning stream that isn't dependent on site traffic volume, and they complement display ad placements. I will give some affiliate program links in the blog post. Check the video description. So those are some top options beyond Google AdSense. Try out a few to see which works best for monetizing your blog. Let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions, open a thread on our tech forum. Thanks for watching.